Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: mobile and PC Vyapar apps installed and the same account signed in. Open the mobile app and create a fresh backup so you can restore if needed. This prevents data loss. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or enable USB debugging for direct transfer. Make sure battery saver is off and notifications are allowed. This ensures uninterrupted communication while the sync handshake initiates and keys are exchanged securely. Now you initiate the actual connection. On the PC app, choose Sync and select Connect to Mobile. A QR code and a 6-digit code appear. Next, on your phone, navigate to Sync Connect to PC and scan the QR or type the code manually. This step pairs the devices and verifies identity so both apps reference the same company data. Make sure you confirm the company name and GSTIN shown on both screens. Otherwise, the apps will refuse to merge mismatched profiles. Finally, start the sync and watch the progress bar until it reaches 100%. Do not close either app mid-transfer because partial sync causes inconsistencies. Once finished, verify key records, invoices, stock levels, ledgers, and perform a post-sync backup on both devices to lock the state. If something goes wrong, first check network connectivity and battery settings, then restart both apps and repair using the QR code. This clears transient errors and forces a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.